GIS Certificate was developed to suit our USD students to be able to get it while they are getting their bachelor's here at USD. It is essentially the equivalent of a minor, but in the GIS industry, having a certificate means more. In almost every field today, geographic information is used already because I always say everything happens somewhere and that matters. People in politics, in journalism, in economics, in communication, all sorts of different fields are using GIS. You have to design where you're going to have certain things based on who is where also, or how they can get there, or a variety of other parameters that you can use to do that. And you can do that analysis in GIS and then produce whether it's like vulnerability maps, risk maps, suitability maps. Job postings will list a certificate as a potential requirement or at least a qualification. And so it can help students really get their foot in the door and make it through into a job interview. We essentially collated all of the requirements for programs around the country, and we looked at what all of them were including. There is some variability based on skills and opportunities at that particular institution, but we made sure that we are including those fundamental skills that students need to move into the workforce.